Alright, welcome back to the channel. Hold on. Camera focus, 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 focus. Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Going on college football. I created a team last night. This school, I'll let you see it. The American Devil Dogs, a Marine Corps kind of football team. Probably see what we could do. Start a little dynasty. Trying to win at least 2 championships. It might not happen the first season, of course, because they don't have everybody 5 stars and 4 stars when you first start off with a new school. But a little bit of grinding, a little bit of NIL, and some false promises, and we could be the school that everybody want to go to in a couple of years. Do anything. I got a couple 4 stars on here. I'm probably not gonna be able to get none of these 4 stars, but we gotta try. On this image creator, the little AI generated, you put in what you want and it shows you exactly what you want, or a version of it. It's actually pretty cool. But this is probably our #1 recruit right here. He's #1 in his state, the state of Michigan. That's not bad. There's a bunch of young people on here. Look, my starting quarterback is a freshman. Well, I made him the starting quarterback. Let's see, we got, all right, this wide receiver right here. I don't know why EA generated a monster like this. 6'4", 217, Brendan Blankenship. 95 speed, 93 acceleration, 85 catching, 83 catching traffic. Spectacular catch, 87. I mean, this man is a beast. And he didn't even grow yet. Yeah. Technically, he's still a kid. Get all this out for the most part. When I really want somebody, hey, go for him. You sit in the house. I know it kind of sucks to sit in the house a little early, but sometimes you have to, just to get your name in the conversation. These are the first students that's actually going to graduate from, what I'm saying, what's going on. But look at all these grades. Right now, this is terrible. But don't worry about it. With a couple of big wins, possibly a bowl season, hey, we might be up to something. The best player on our roster is Amani Toll, wide receiver. He's a junior. And I ain't gonna lie, we got lucky with that one right there. Left tackle, running back, cornerback. These are our top 4. Deshaun Willer. We're gonna make something happen with this man right here. He was a 3-star out of high school from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. 6'3", 227. He ain't got no mentals yet, but a couple of physicals, just something to work with. Don't worry about it. He know what he has to do. We talked about this. He know what he got to do. We're gonna call him Sergeant Wheeler. Sergeant Wheeler is gonna be who will carry us to where we need to be. The American Stadium. I call it Paradise Island.
Offense will start this game off. And here he comes, the guy who pulls all the strings in this.
We're gonna run simple things today. I want to test out my cornerbacks. First off, I want to see what's going on. FCS like to run the ball.
Everybody believes in this dude. Use the play fake now.
All right, first play.
And the quarterback is
Beautiful.
under. The thing that keeps coaches up at night, dealing with the transfer portal.
Because they got to make sure that everybody in their locker room is happy.
Come on, get through that, get through that. Yeah, get through that.
He can't escape and down he goes.
All right.
Things working pretty well for this.
I need tolls. I tackling my wide receiver.
As we take a look at our
Oh, wait a minute, real quick. I don't play on Heisman. Heisman's no fun. I ain't even gonna lie to you, it's no fun. All American, all the way.
this one, what are you looking for, Jesse, for a guy to make an impact?
Well, these are simply put the leaders of this football team.
We got Mr. Toes in the slide.
They've got a shot to win this one.
No doubt, they got to show up. These are the team leaders. These guys have
to start off, it wasn't pretty.
Defensive line being so good at the point of attack and eating blocks, eating some double teams that allows these linebackers
triangle,
to run free.
Wolford, you should be wide open here.
Feeling some heat.
Oh, didn't have the time. So my line look like they gonna get an issue a little bit.
The punt team.
No. It's like the Citadel or something. So we take those. Good jump, safety.
He was looking for that big return to go with the pick, but he'll set him up.
Wave to him, salute.
QB's got to pick and choose their spots when they want to be really aggressive and try to fit balls in tight windows. Great
Got
job
that blood stripe on the pants, on the trousers.
The offense lining up for a first down play.
If you know, you know.
Shoots it to
That's a
the
bad pass, but it was complete.
all by himself. Finally run out of bounds.
First play, let's be aggressive. Let's take a shot and see if we can catch the defense napping.
You just gotta
Oh, boy, did that
take
ever work out
what the
great.
defense gives you, honestly. This game right here is not hard. It's just
trying to find an easy completion, and the
kind of
shortest throw on the
difficult.
field for the quarterback is finding your biggest target, and that's the tight end. Nice job.
Because of how smart everybody is on the defense. It don't matter though right there. Touchdown. Sergeant Wheeler.
They're going to test the right side with this one. They bring
Big
it
hit.
down, but a solid pickup to put them
Corner.
in.
Kind of success
Block corner right
first
now.
down running the football. It just opens
They've
up
done it correctly.
the entire playbook moving forward.
Got it.
Fires a bullet. Now it's picked off. And he'll
Oh yeah.
take this
Logan
one.
Warren. Alright, you about to be a problem, Logan.
Don't get caught. And he didn't. The pick six.
Hey, these guys can play offense too now. Look at
Our
this.
big
I'll show you
freshman.
wide receiver. Coach might split him out
He
wide
catch
receiver
that?
next week after making that big play, but
Like, what? I mean, I understand you getting need in the stomach.
Inside his own spot. Didn't
Get
find
up.
any
That's what I like to see. Them devil dogs hungry.
Out of the shotgun, they go to the ground.
All right, Logan. Make another play for her.
Goes to the option. That's what you expect from a senior. Don't give them any extra yards. Great tackle there. And that last run leaves him with a third down. Will they keep it on the ground? Got it.
But he hold on to that.
They'll move those chains, getting it out to the 29-yard line and trying to get this drive rolling. And the Pandas will snap it on 1st and 10. Fires to the tight end. And maybe he'll get back to
The catch, you saw it right there.
I want total
that receiver to go. Once
domination.
possession,
Like,
as a result,
I only want them to get 100 yards.
on the option.
Oh,
And he is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 100 101 102 103 104 105 106 107 108 109 110 111 112 113 114 115 116 117 118 119 120 121 122 123 124 125 126 127 128 129 130 131 132 133 134 135 136 137 138 139 140 141 142 143 144 145 146 147 148 149 150 151 152 153 154 155 156 157 158
Run backwards. Maybe you think you can outrun everybody on the field and you're faster than everybody, but either way, that play went nowhere. Actually, it went somewhere. It went really far backwards.
Pressure coming. This will be the second time they've had to kick it
I
away.
don't know how to complain about that.
He just wanted to get it out of
Why
there
should
from
I?
his
I want
end
more
zone.
yards. Why should I complain about that?
Mistake.
All right, coach. I don't feel like picking up plays. Tell me something.
Football in that play.
First down here for the offense. Use the play fake now to throw. He rifles one deep down the right side.
I don't know why everything I throw is red. I'm not holding it too long.
They don't seem interested in inching the ball down the field. That big play sets him up. 1st and 10 from the 36. He's right on target.
Amani
And he'll
told.
step across the sidelines after making a good gain on
New
the
goal.
drive moving. Just
Let's see if we can get us a
outside the
Heisman.
red zone, 1st and 10 from the 21.
Season 1. I'm trying to let everybody know how we doing from the beginning.
Working that
Why'd you
left
fall?
side now. And he's down right there. Picked up a few, but still some work to do to get a first down.
All right, that corner
And now
route
on 2nd down for this offense.
is not open.
Coming after him.
Let's slide. Don't hit me. Come on now. We know what's going on with these QBs sliding and all that. I ain't playing around.
With a 1st and goal.
I'm going to the ground
They'll try to move the chains on the ground.
and run them over.
Drag down to the turf, but not before getting the
That
first
being
down.
weak.
Here's this offense with a fresh set of downs. Quarterback making adjustments with his receivers.
Double slant without. We're right. No, he fumbled in the end zone.
Down, and this defense gets the ball back for its own.
We'll take the little turnover. It's fine. We'll get it back.
Didn't do a good job at the end of the run.
Let me use Logan Warren.
Off the play fake on 1st down to throw.
Go get him. Go get him.
He'll pull it down and run. Good run on the play, and he slides to avoid the hit. They really got things moving on
And they
this
gotta
drive.
keep us
Second play of
fouled,
the drive
too.
comes from the 37.
Got deep
They're
zone.
gonna
Hold
run
on.
it to the right.
Good tackle.
Bring him down, and he's going to lose a yard.
And let's switch over to the other safety.
And they'll bring him to the ground after a short gain.
Xavier Craig.
I like getting my running back touches, feeding the ball so he can break some of those big runs, but I'm also okay with these little ones.
All right, my boy
Set the
back.
tone, stay balanced.
On 3rd and long, he's going to have to throw for it. And the incomplete pass will bring up 4th down. And the Pandas will line up to...
I'd be mad if it was me.
He'll try to really come to the line. Off the play fake on 1st down, wants to throw.
That might be a holding. Or illegal man downfield. I don't understand this. Why are you out here? Like, you're not even blocking nobody. You just decide to go up the field. And just sitting there, still not even blocking nobody. Whatever. Alright, what was that? All the first quarter? Wasn't bad. Alright, let's get a little run game going now.
Running hard and getting 6 yards out to the 26.
I know it's sexy to throw the football, but if you can pound it away and get these kind of gains, they will just add up, wear the defense down, get 1st downs, and ultimately get some points.
He turns it loose to the left. It's complete. A
I'm
huge
just assuming
pickup.
everything's gonna be
And he
red I
was
throw,
off
so
to the races.
as long as it get there, I mean, whatever.
That kind of play will
I ain't
send a
mad at
surge
it.
of energy through your offense.
These
Now
are like
they've
the
got
same
it
plays a
10
little bit.
inside the 40.
Coach.
He'll take a shot. And they can't quite hook up trying to make a completion.
The decision by the QB had to do with the pressure. Because he was hurried,
Cut
he
back.
just had to get rid of that faster than he wanted to. He's lucky he didn't come away with an interception.
Alright. Alright,
I think they called
FCS.
that knowing they
Southeast.
were gonna hit a home run. So why would you call it that? Well, you
Let
call
me
it
do what I
so
wanna do.
third down becomes
We're gonna be
an
alright.
easier down. It's not 3rd and long where I have to pass the football. Now all options on the table.
Now it's decision time. 4th and short, and you're in field goal range. What do you do here?
Oh, and he missed it. No good.
almost like it's almost like it don't make sense.
Makes the catch. It's Parrish.
Ooh, good hit. Good hit, 6.
Second down coming up.
That's my other, yeah, Russell.
He's looking to throw. And
Okay, way to cut that.
third time today.
Right.
Takes it the other
That
way.
little quarterback fast. Dorian Clement. Change your number.
And then you jump the route and you make
Maybe.
the plays and you just go get in that end zone. It is so beautiful.
And let's check in with Kevin Connors in the studio. Kevin?
Being in the Sun Belt Conference, I'm pretty sure all of my games might go like this for the most part. If we can do what we're supposed to do with the team and with the program, next year or in 2 years, we're gonna take a trip to the SEC. Yo, how are you still up?
But of course, if anything changes, you'll see it right here.
Like, hold on, alright. So you break this, break this, break this, break this, still up. Like, come on, bro. Was that Vic? Oh, that run a play.
Second and long. Catch in the middle. It's Chandler. And he's down after making the catch, but did not reach the line to gain. They line up with some serious work to do if they want to convert this one. On third and long, he has to throw for it. A strike downfield. And he'll pick up the first down, but he got it.
You going hydrate and look at what happened.
Not the most productive half for this offense so far, but finally starting to get it in gear. First and 10. They'll go to the ground. They'll pick up 4, second and 6 coming.
Alright, they're moving the ball a little more than I would like here.
Downs manageable. The way you do that is by having success like that, running the football on first down.
A strong tackle and wrap up from the
Because
junior.
now they're moving into field goal range, I think. Because you never know with these teams here.
Just not getting enough push.
They might have Justin Tucker.
They haven't been physical.
It's complete to the right. And they
Good
wrap
hit.
him up, but not before he's got enough for the first down. The Pandas are rolling down the field. He's going to pass. Buys a little time. And he gets it.
Tried to get him, but the game got a delay with that hit stick for some reason right there. If it was the computer though, they would have laid me out just now.
On the option. He'll pitch it. Finds a crease at the 20. And he caught that pitch in stride and was off to the races. A big gain and a first
I'm not
down
liking
for his
this.
offense.
They about to put
And the
points
Panthers
up.
come to the line with a fresh set of downs. They'll ride the hot hand. Not much running room. He's got 1 down to the 12. Going to work on second down in the red zone. Is still some ground to cover to pick up that first down. They'll run play action. Got a man. It's Kelly.
Thank you, game.
As an offense, you're always going to take the patience.
Because why they just moving down the field like this now?
They're able to make that third down a little bit more manageable.
We got 2 flats on the outside.
Third and long, and he'll try to throw for it. Makes the catch, and he will score. Touchdown, Panda. Stop at the 19. Now this offense is back on the field.
We run the ball a little bit.
They'll leave it with him.
Good run too. Hold your block.
And the defense
Okay, the best
finally makes
receiver don't
stop
want to block.
after the sweet
Okay.
run and good gain. And this center downs gets started.
That's how you
from
become the third
33,
string wide
first and
receiver.
10. Quick pass on the fly motion. You want to make sure to maximize those types of runs, and he gets it out to the 41. 8-yard pickup on first down leaves them with second and short.
All right, we got 1-on-1 on the outside with that
Back to
freshman.
throw, it's Wheeler.
I said we test him.
He lofts it
Oh
high and
no,
deep
what a
down the
terrible
left side.
pass.
And it's incomplete after taking a shot. This season opener. Throws for the tight end. Makes
Thank
the
you.
grab. Huge game
I
before
tried
he
to
goes
bullet
out of
that.
bounds, and now they've got it first and goal. So close to cashing it in for this offense. He'll pull it on the read. He's
Running
knocked
back
down
ran
in the
straight to the end
backfield.
zone,
He'll
too.
lose a couple.
Well, one of the reasons this offense likes the option game with the
That
quarterback is to
happens.
use
I made the
his
wrong
speed, try
read.
to attack
My
the
bad.
front
I
of
ain't
the
make the wrong
field.
read.
The
My
defense,
quarterback
though,
made the wrong
not
read. Is this a
having any of
freshman?
it. You saw the contain on the play, forcing him back in the middle of the field, and they're able to corral him for a huge loss.
Easy.
And it'll be a touchdown.
Easy.
They'll throw it on first down. They're working that left side. He's run out of bounds, but a big play off. Wants to throw on first down.
At least the zone I ain't worried about.
How about that? The incompletion.
They don't even
on
play the
first
zone
down.
the right
This
way,
offense
so.
looking at second down.
How good have they recruited in the secondary defensively, right? We've seen guys flying around with speed. They're breaking on the ball. They've got hands.
Bro, just jump in front of that.
Interceptions in this game. They almost got another one right there.
The Pandas want to move quickly. He'll just keep slinging it.
That's a pick.
Another
Man, come.
interception. That's his fourth of the day.
There you go. Pick that man up. We going to the
He's inside the 40.
crib.
At the 20.
Putting on the show in front of
And
our
he's in for
fans.
the score. Touchdown.
Opening day, first game.
Look at it, returning to the field. Going up top on first down.
What a play this. Ah.
And how about that catch
What a play.
and roll before the half? He's looking to throw it. One step wrap, two step squeeze. This junior knows how to get him
That
on
tight
the
end right
ground.
there.
Offense lining up quickly.
See what we can do.
He's looking for an open
Oh, I'm
man
getting
on
double
second
team.
down.
All right, that worked out. They double team me, but somebody else ran free.
On third and long, a check down would be the last resort. Oh, they really could have used that catch.
All right, another 3 and out.
Pass
Let's do it.
defense
We got one
brings up
more.
a fourth
We
down.
got enough time for another
And the
touchdown.
Pandas with the punt.
How many timeouts at?
Tonight, we've seen this guy come on to punt.
Oh,
Coverage team down there to down the punt, and they'll spot it just inside the 45.
how many
They'll
timeouts I
start
got?
this drive from the 42. They're going to throw it to start the drive. And this sophomore able to wreak some havoc and get the sack. Quick timeout call by the offense after the play.
You want to change some of this bad luck you've had so far around? Get after the quarterback.
looking
and
at
get his butt on the
R1
ground.
here.
Nice job by the defense.
Have
This game ain't
that
over.
guy
It's still
right
the first
there
half.
run a little
This
out
is a good
route.
start.
Trying to beat the DB. This is intercepted along the sidelines.
Our freshman quarterback
Out of bounds. It's just an incomplete
clearly
pass.
has a
Very
long way to
fortunate
go.
turn of events for the offense.
We'll have you run a little corner route. See what we can do with that.
On third
Look
and
like the
long,
game
no
know what I want to
secret what he
run.
needs here.
We're just gonna run the ball. Should be able to get this first down here and more.
He's got
Oh,
room. He's off to the races. He's at the 10.
This quarterback
And
is
he
so
barrels
I get
into
it.
the end zone.
his name is Deshaun Wheeler. He's probably better at running the ball.
And torch a defense, and he did it right.
He'll do it himself.
You
Now after that
think you
run, they're
Deshaun
in pretty
Wheeler?
good shape at the 30-yard
Yeah, good
line.
try.
We've got a timeout in the waning seconds of the half. Maybe a chance to get off a couple more plays. On second down, looking again to throw. Fires to the big fella. And the defense
Way to hold
doesn't
on
let
to
him
that.
get
Oh.
loose, and that's going to wrap things
Halftime,
up here in the half.
41-7.
First half in the books. Time now to join.
Caller is dialing up. These guys
Tight
offensively
end.
have been able to go out and execute there.
Yeah, and it's just maintaining the lead. Keep doing what you've been doing. You got a big lead. Let's just keep piling it on until they find an
Deshaun
answer.
Wheeler.
Let's see what they've got on second down. Dropping back, it's Wheeler. Throws to the tight end. The freshman quarterback very fortunate for that one.
It's time to accept the fact that my
Man, this tight
quarterback
end, he's a weapon. We've seen it, right? He can get downfield. He can make plays vertically in the passing
It's not
game.
that
This
good.
defense was aware of that. Nice
He's a
job in
runner.
coverage swatting that one away.
Third down
But if you shut down the run, stack the
huge
box,
stat, and this one would be a doozy if they
I'm
can pull it
broken.
off. Gonna take a shot. Snags it down the right side. And chunk plays on the
When in
name
doubt,
of the game, and they get one here.
go to
before
your
the
best
defense
receiver.
Finally makes a stop.
I want to hit
On the
this
49-yard
streak
line.
so bad
Looking to
though.
move it through the air. Throws to the wideout. Lost the defense is
Ooh.
wide open.
Yeah, we gotta get him the ball.
And he'll take it into the 18.
I only run, of course, the dime and the nickel packages for the most part. I like to have more speed on the field DB wise than like linebackers and linemen because they're going to easily get beat. Oh, they called it a fumble?
Oh, looks as if the defense got it. And he's going to take that fumble all the way. He'll ride his man on the option. And he'll be run out.
Screen.
They're setting up the screen.
It's even worth trying to run the ball.
Probably not.
He uncorks one deep. And that makes 5 interceptions.
To gain as much momentum.
Somebody else's name is DJ on this
Nice
team.
interception on that play. Great job with the eyes by the defender there picking that up.
That's caught. It's Vance.
Alright, we'll stop the bleeding. Stop the bleeding. I ain't gonna finish that one. With the new school, I mean,
throughout the season, but 1-0, that's where you wanted to be.
I'm pleased with what I saw.
You're the coaching staff. I
Look at
think
these
you're
stats. See
very,
what
very
happens.
positive right now moving forward.
So that's going to do it.
Deshaun Wheeler finished with 313 yards, 3 touchdowns through the air, no interceptions. That's perfect. Emil Singer finished with 119 yards, no touchdowns, but Deshaun Wheeler got 2 of them. All right, he might be our, quarterback, of course. Trent McCabe, Amani Tolles. Yeah, he has gold takeoff. That makes sense. I gotta give him the ball more. I don't understand how all y'all still want to transfer. Like, give me some time, bruh. Let me establish myself. Logan Moore, and he's a senior, so only got 1 year with him. Hey, we moved to the top of his list. Nah, he locked us out. I ain't having enough points. Better take y'all off. Alright. I'm surprised I'm on their list. Alright, let's go ahead and take this off. Alright. The goal, I guess, is to try to get at least 2 or 3 of these 4 stars here. I feel like that's realistic for a school that, I mean, we just opened our doors in spring. Accelerated clock. I couldn't even tell it was on. 6 minutes? I still wanted to not be like blank in the game over. Alright, who we play this year? I didn't even look. Ooh. I might be must-see TV right now. Michigan. So depending on how this game goes, we could be in the talks of being ranked. This early would be huge, a huge win. Javaris Lumpkin, Dorian Clemens, Lorenzo Tomlinson, and Braxton Hall. So Braxton Hall, he actually, oh, he's a freshman? I mean, it's FCS Southeast, so ain't nobody jumping over the wall saying, hey, we beat FCS Southeast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are surrounded by pageantry and tradition, and it's clear to see.
Oh, probably got less fans today than the other day when we played FCS Southeast. Anthony Watkins, 88 speed, 86 break tackle.
Don't worry about it.
We can deal with that. Yo, it's like we have no fans. Is somebody else playing today?
Nowadays, it's usually quarterbacks and the other guys that get all the attention, but this guy's so good.
Quarterback on the keeper.
Ooh, that quarterback kind of fast.
But not before he gets the first down.
This outstanding running back. Remember, he's one of the best in the game. They're expecting him to get the football. So the quarterback says, you know what? I'll just keep it. No one's keying on me. I'm going to get upfield and find an explosive play.
And the entire playbook is wide open on second and short like this. They'll keep it on the ground.
I'm going to stack the box on y'all. Y'all run heavy?
Well, the offense is trying to go key.
Come on, ref. That's what, pass interference or something?
Really nice job.
Hey, look. You can't do that.
Got it at the 33. Tulsa seems to have the whole playbook working.
Show to you.
Pre-snap motion quarterback trying to get a read. Got his man downfield. They make the stop, but not coming.
I got the middle. This my responsibility.
He's all the way down to the 2-yard line.
Alright.
Just
Those are coming out strong to start this game off.
And they've inched closer and closer, and still 2 yards to go for the touchdown here on 3rd down. Go straight ahead. And he takes it, he stops at the 23.
Low awareness.
As we take a look at our impact players
Miles
for this
Jackson,
game,
the
David,
right
what do you look
end.
for to make an impact from your leaders?
Your leaders not only have to lead the football team, but they got to step
he's
up and
Agent
make plays
Zero.
on the field, keep everybody calm. These guys typically do a really good job of it.
Yeah, David, and they also generally set the tone for their respective football teams. Regardless
You
of
just
which
fill
side
out
of
the
ball they
defense, see
play
what's going on.
The teammates look towards them to step up in big games like this.
Right back to him on the ground.
Nice little
But
hit.
he has a first down.
And they understand where I got to get to. A lot of people you'll see run north-south and try to bounce out wide and make big plays. Sometimes it's not about making big plays. Sometimes it's about
Just slip through there. Alright.
First and
Smooth
10.
over there. I actually don't like this play.
Wants to throw. It's Wheeler. Going for the big play. Grabs it inside the 15.
I love this play.
Almost took it all the way, but a huge gain, and he has it.
I know that was gonna happen.
The big explosive play put him right on the edge, but you gotta finish the deal.
Give us some good protection.
With the run on 1st and goal.
Touchdown.
Back another touchdown on top of that last drive.
And this offense did such a good job on the last drive. Everything in rhythm, moved the ball down the field.
What sort of changes were they able to make? Because they got to stop the bleeding right now.
Fires to the tight end. Use the play fake. Now to throw.
Get him.
The quarterback scrambled around.
Denzel Alexander.
On 3rd and long, he's going to have to turn one loose.
Denzel Alexander again.
Man, I tell you what, this guy's
Alright.
making a name for himself.
Do your thing, big boy. It's time for my rookie. I keep saying my rookie. My freshman the ball.
Fires left. And that incomplete pass caused by...
He ain't got no choice but to get better.
2nd and 10. Dropping back, it's Wheeler. Looking left.
Another bad throw.
He's got
Don't matter.
man. Got a lot of running room. Pass the 10. Lean for the wire. Touchdown.
Talk
This
to
coaching
him.
staff is trying to identify playmakers on offense.
I'm getting bailed out, so I ain't gonna lie.
Scored in their first game,
I'm
scored
getting
early on
bailed
this one.
out.
Defense is up to
And I don't care. I don't care.
Cash in on this drive, David, after having to punt it last time.
Yeah, and I think this offense needs to
Pull
start
that
with the
linebacker
first
back,
play. You need to be
so he got
successful and
time.
productive on that first play.
Oh, and he gets downfield for the big catch. And perhaps a touchdown-saving tackle as he gets him down at the 37.
I mean, like, what an adjustment,
Defense, I gotta
but
find a way to get some more pressure on the quarterback or disrupt their timing and their rhythm. I can't give them
How?
these big chunk plays through the air. I got to be maybe a little bit more aggressive or do something a little bit different.
Off the play fake on 1st down. Trying to buy a
Switch
3rd
up.
and long.
oh no, this don't look good.
Williams looking for a man. They're bringing heat. Makes the
Good
grab on
tackle,
the left.
good open field tackle.
And he's will drive.
He missed.
Oh, he missed it. No good.
Ah.
And they couldn't cut into the lead. It's still a 7-point game. So, guys, we'll see this offense again. Out of the gun, the inside give. Dragged down after a pickup of 5, looking to throw. Starting to feel a little pressure. Or did he find a hole in that secondary? Flips the
Hey,
field,
but on the
and
bright note,
he has it down
my
to the
freshman
25
caught his
yard line.
first pass.
10 from the 25. Used the play fake, now to throw. Got him downfield.
And my other wide receiver is just eating.
They'll run the RPO and throw it right. And a good
131 passing yards in the first quarter. 100 yards a quarter. That's 400 yards.
the give to the running back from the shotgun.
And don't forget, they can just run whenever they want.
Getting just enough pieces and get enough movement up front, but they finally got it there, picking up the first. Let's see what happens next.
Yo, this number one right here.
Stop at the 2nd and 11. Looking for space. It's Jackson.
Come on, what great.
Running back searching for a hole. Headed to the end zone. To the end zone.
Not back in it yet. It's not.
This team can win on
We beat Appalachian State by like, I think we had like what 40 points in the first half.
well done. It's one game. You don't want to react too much either way.
Yeah, I say we. I'm a Clemson fan. But right now, I'm an American Devil Dog fan.
Receiver on the move.
Different.
Gets the touch pass. He is stopped
Hold your
behind the
block,
line of scrimmage.
65.
They'll lose yards on that one.
Give the freshman a
Last play
chance.
was a near disaster. Now dealing with 2nd and 13. Unloads to the wideout. And he just overshot his man and threw it out of bounds, incomplete. A 3rd and long coming up here. Looking to throw it again. He's got his man.
And get my spin back.
Play, they're on the move all the way to the
3 catches, 124 yards. And this is the ball.
Game, more or less in the first half.
A shot toward the end zone.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen.
And he's brought
It's a pop. I don't know if you guys are really good at math, but that usually equals a first down every couple carries. So don't forget about the run game. Keep them honest. Pound that rock.
And how about that play?
Denzel Alexander. I mean, where you been at? You just, oh,
Finds a man on the right. Afterburners coming.
yo, who is this dude right here, bro?
And
It'll be one of those games, huh?
Back to the offense. Back to the offense.
16-yard
I think this is a conference game. Okay,
from the gun. The running
then that
back
makes
has it.
sense.
They knock
This
it
is
down
equivalent to
before he
like
gets it out to the 21-yard line.
Madden's
Pick up a
divisional
4.
game.
Solid pickup of
You haven't
4
played a
on
Madden
first down,
divisional
2nd and
game?
6. They go to the ground. The 27, first down. They're trying to get to it.
That should be like illegal contact or something. The man steady bumping and grinding me on that route.
And we're done on first. Now let's see what they have on 2nd down. Buying some time. Trying to make magic with his feet. He steps out of bounds, but he's got enough for a first down. Here's
Hey,
his offense
why the
with a
clock
first
still running,
down.
bro? I went out of bounds going
Quarterback
forward.
changing the plays at the line. He'll come out throwing on first down. And he got smacked. Back to
Create a
pass,
whole
it's
little
Wheeler.
routes. I ain't right this time. He ran with
Going
him.
up top.
Why I keep throwing the ball like that?
And it's an incomplete pass on the deep shot, but the flag is down. Let's check the call.
Defense.
He wants to throw. Setting up the screen. He makes the stop.
I need y'all to see what I saw. So boom, this man drops. So I'm attempting to cut in between the 3 linemen right here. So I make this get around these 2 right here. But of course I bump into him because I don't know. I bump him to him, and the dude that's getting up off the ground just had perfect timing with getting up right there.
That was super close from seriously busting loose. Nice
Yo,
job.
you didn't even make the right read on that. How?
If he could just make one more guy miss, that might have been huge.
Defense trying to come up with a stop on 3rd and short from the 37. Grab near the sticks. It's Allen. He will step out of bounds, but not
Little something, something. This is only the first half, too. Maybe 6 minutes is also too much.
Comes out throwing on 1st down. Looking
Superb.
for the end zone. And they dialed up a shot
Yo,
play, but they couldn't
bruh,
hook up.
that's a
It's
flag.
just a huge error understanding its zone coverage. So instead of continuing to
Just
run
really hit that
across the
wide
field,
receiver
he
right here,
settles
Amani.
down into an open
Oh my
spot.
God. The linebacker read that so perfect. Like,
And they'll close
yeah.
in on him.
That's not, my bad. That's not even the linebacker. The right end, because I remember him. The right end read this play so perfect. Am I sure he's not a linebacker at this point? Because as soon as I went to break down, look at him. He like, oh, you about to throw it to him? He's the left end. Run stopper. 75 speed. 85 awareness. I mean, 85 awareness is good. But zone coverage? Pursuit's at 89, which is really good for if you're running after somebody, but a 55 zone coverage and a 50 man coverage. Yet you're reacting faster than everybody else.
A man on 2nd
Thank
down.
you.
And that pass picked off. Taking it the other way.
Braxton Hill.
No way. From inside the 10, here he comes. Couldn't find a way to create that broken field as he stopped at the 25. And now
Because he ain't really been getting the ball like that.
Yeah, so you're going to have to be ready if you're a quarterback then. You're probably going to see some different coverages.
Why
You might
not?
see
going downfield for the big play.
Hey,
Pulls it in inside the 15-yard line.
That's a beautiful
Let's
pass
go.
and catch. I love the job the quarterback does.
It finally
manipulating
worked.
The defense with his eyes. He froze that safety, and that allowed.
I
his
actually don't know who that
receiver
wide receiver is right there though, but
Makes his connection. They'll get it down to the
he keep
8-yard
making,
line on that
if he starts making those big plays right now, definitely got to go to him.
To the air.
Like the deep ball.
He caught it. Bounces into the end zone for
And
a
Amani
touchdown.
toes.
This dude is just slicing and dicing this defense into last score, trailing by 14, Jesse.
Yeah, and
I
at
lied.
this point of the game, I feel like offensively, you should go back to what's been working for you in this
Alright,
game.
hurry
Don't be
up. I
afraid to
actually don't
dial
mind
up
that.
plays that you've already had success with, running it and
Make
throwing
more
it. It's
mistakes
okay
in
to
the hurry
create
up.
plays. Down 14 at
Switch
this
the
point.
play.
And I would also say, Palmer, kind of understanding that my defense is not playing great.
That's fine, because I was already in man
I gotta put some
coverage.
good possessions together
Back to
here,
the block.
make something
How you got
happen on
off
this
of
side
that?
football.
Scores and fast.
Keep this linebacker right here.
From the gun, wants to pass. Spits it out to the back. Can't make the connection on 3rd
Somebody
down.
dive and get it. Come on, make a play. Taking my freshman here. He did not even man press. He somehow went around him. Know about?
And is knocked
play.
away and incomplete. The defensive back staying in phase and batting it away.
All right, cornerbacks. They're
Line
doing their
getting set on
thing.
2nd down. Leaves it with the back. They shut it down quickly, but he gets 2.
Yourself, you just want to keep taking shots, right? This
Our
guy's already
quarterback
thrown
is,
3 touchdown passes. He saw
interesting
a look he
character
liked, decided to let her
sometimes.
fly. Haven't seen a lot of balls falling
That's our
complete, especially
fullback?
deep down the field. That
Tight
one
end.
did, but I'd expect this guy to keep letting it go.
Defense is about feeling out
Oh,
plays, stick the quarterback,
yeah,
make it
an
cough it up,
interception this
just to
game?
have the other team
Yeah.
recover it again, and you don't get it. Still a good stick, still a good physical play. Keep hitting that quarterback.
Oh my God.
To come out specifically on time because these windows close really quickly. Ball there thrown a little bit late. As a result, it's an INT.
Caught in the backfield, it's Watkins. The defense wouldn't let him loose, and even though it's a completion, they lost yardage.
Love the awareness by the defense here. They're trying to get the running back the ball in space, but the defense was expecting it. They had guys in position. They located the football, and they went and game tackle.
From the shotgun, the inside give. And he'll find enough running room to get it just short of midfield at the 49.
Like, what's
They
going
line up
on?
with some serious work to do if they want to convert this one. On 3rd and long, trying to have a big completion here. Fires one high
Thank you.
and deep. Fires it into a crowd, and it's picked
Boy,
off.
again, Braxton.
He wants to start this drive with a pass.
I'm
Now
running.
he's going to glide away from pressure. At the 40, there he goes. What a good run there. He
I'm
has
running.
enough of them down.
Oh, this should be a one-on-one.
Off the play
Straight
fake on first down.
low
The
by.
throw. A shot toward the end zone.
It's not, but I can get that. Oh, good
And
catch.
on the touchdown.
Catch it in.
And this offense drive, but this offense is doing what they want.
Just 4 to the Astronauts. We'll circle back if anything changes in this exciting college
tight
football
end.
matchup.
And how about that one, Kevin?
This is exactly what a run blitz is. When you know the ball's coming up.
You know, Logan, I ain't call your name yet this game. What's going on?
And fire, right?
And he throws
Get
his
that.
3rd pick of the day. His head has to be spinning. Not only
Come on.
back to pass, it's Wheeler. He fires a bullet to the right. Another interception. This guy just can't find his own
I do not think I will be getting the Heisman with this
quarterback.
quarterback.
Defense knows they're going to throw the football, and right now offensively they cannot protect the edge. You saw the speed coming from the outside. He was able to get to the quarterback for another negative play.
Oh, and the down at the 35.
He can throw it. He can buy time. He can run it. What can't he do? This guy's so talented.
I'm missing Dole.
When he does stuff like this,
I
there's
tried
no way
to change the
stop him.
play,
No way to coach
and
him
then
how to get some form of penetration. Just stop that ball from going north-south. They don't do it there, and they get the first down.
I'm reading it too. I just can't make the play.
They'll give it to the back. Obliterates him, still on the move. Touchdown, Tulsa. He ran down play.
I just cut these videos up into like,
Receiver now comes in motion.
you know, episodes.
Try to get the edge with a quick
Probably try to do
pass.
like 4 episodes.
He's past the 30. And it is a chunk play, a huge gain on that one before the defense brings it to an
Probably
end.
show like the first 2 games. If I have like an important game or something in the schedule.
He fires one deep down the right side. And it's intercepted, maybe breathing a little life into this team.
Crowd. We have no crowd
Great
present.
job in the end zone, making it a hard window to throw into, and when he caught it, making him feel you.
Picks up the first down and gets down to avoid contact.
Switch to the Tampa too. Pick this linebacker. And sit right here. Let's do it right here.
Wants to go up top. That's caught. It's Watkins. Long coming. He's looking to throw. Flushed out of the pocket. They get him on the ground at the 3-yard line.
Must
but
be
this
another Michael
defense is
Vick.
taking some punches. If they can pay off.
I ran into what? 2 Michael Vicks already?
Man, oh man, those collars start getting a little tight. And it's caught. Touchdown, Golden Hurricane. Fraction of a second. Do not give the deep. Going to throw it over the top of the D. Reels it in and goes out of bounds on the left side after the huge gain.
Like, I'm open, right? I'm going
I'm
straight
gonna
down the
give
field.
quarterback his flowers on that one.
I can beat this guy. You can tell they've done that so much in
Good play.
practice. They knew it was
Good throw.
second nature,
I
and
finally
they
saw a good
executed.
ball from him again.
Maybe
See?
one more play until the 2-minute warning. Wasting no time throwing on this drive. And it's picked off.
Braxton Hill again.
Time today. And
That's what I
he's
like to
in
see.
for the score.
Down, find him. I mean, you want to find that matchup because he's going to win and gets a.
And that is his 5th
Thank you.
interception. A nightmare.
To change that.
Be ready to attack and limit some of the damage this offense has done. They haven't done
Oh,
it today.
yeah.
They got to go back to the drawing board, figure some things out because this wasn't a great day.
Intentional grab. I was outside of the pocket.
So the decision has been long. Looking downfield, it's Wheeler. Deep shot for the end zone. Got it. And that's where he'll go down. An explosive offense uses a timeout, 15 seconds left to play. And they probably don't need to risk running a play here, but the head coach might want to rub it in just a little bit. It falls incomplete.
He threw a good pass there, and that's a touchdown. He threw a bad pass there, and it's intercepted. I'm about to hit this dude as soon as he break on this route. Pretty good. This works out.
And they are in.
Ugly blowout.
Points. They always talk about having the chalk last, and it seemed like whoever was on offense had the last laugh.
It's amazing how much offenses have just boomed in college football. So good, so many ways to hurt you, and you saw both of these offenses put on a show today, Jess.
Dave, we
I
talked
mean,
to
but
both
look
these
at
coaching
this.
staff
This
and their
is
defensive
crazy.
coordinators were
Brendan
losing sleep all
Blankenship,
week. They knew this was
248.
going to be a tough
Monty Toles,
task.
147.
So much speed,
Sammy
so much
Allen
firepower
Jr.
on
That's
these
his name.
offenses.
Sammy Allen
Man, we
Jr.
saw that here today.
That's going to do it for us from here for Jesse Palmer.
All right, let's do this recruiting, and then that's gonna be it for this video right here. Let's see where. Oh, I did everything before. Okay. Double check. All right, let's advance the week. Y'all still want to leave? We 2-0 right now. Have some faith. Hey, he should. I mean, 3 interceptions, 2 touchdowns. Michigan's number 2. Yeah, that'll be it for this video right here. Don't worry about it. I'll probably do another video tomorrow, so I'm gonna try to do this consistently. Actually, I have something to do tomorrow. What's it? Tuesday? Tomorrow's Wednesday. So Thursday, I'll do another video, and it's gonna be the next 2 or 3 games. I'm gonna just do it like that, 2-3 games at a time. All right, that'd be it for this video. I want to thank everybody who, if you stayed for this, I really do appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe. If not, I'm still gonna do the videos regardless.